green light to go on in. She does. And they're all cheering it on. They're loving it. They're not the ones going to get in trouble, so what do they have to lose by encouraging a little action?
Seconds later, officers respond to the fight and break it up. Cavalucci is taken to a segregation cell, pending a hearing on the matter.
Liz being a mock-up. Part of life, you know. Live and you learn. I didn't really feel bad until I was sitting here by myself. Like right when I got brought in here and I was like, what did I do? You know, why did I do that? It was so foul and just wrong of me.
What do you want?
I mean, she's a good friend of mine.
What is
Really
it?
like that.
She's like trying to get under my shirt.
Her situation's similar to mine, whether it involves family or not having nobody to lean back on, so I connect with her, but it is general.